Transportation, Part 3. Water and Rail Transports. Water transportation is the international movement of water over large distances.
Advantages are high carrying capacity with few size and weight restrictions, often one of the cheapest shipping modes, inclement weather less likely to impact shipments, environmentally responsible and fuel efficient, extensive coverage in the U.S. and around the world. Disadvantages are slow transit time, can be difficult to track shipments' location while in transit, requires access to navigable waterways.
Water transports like tugboat, icebreaker, Boeing boat, submarine, and others.
Cruise ships are large passenger ship for vacationing. Wonder of the Seas is one of the largest cruise ships.
Cruise ships have many facilities including medical centers, pools, entertainment, and more. Hong Kong Star Ferry, the company operates 2 routes across the harbor, carrying over 70,000 passengers daily.
Rail transport is a means of transport using wheeled vehicles running in tracks, which usually consist of 2 parallel steel rails.
Rail transport can moving people, move weight and freight, environmental friendly, safest land transport, efficient transport. Thomas and Friends is one of the famous cartoons talking about rail transports. Japan's trains include the world-famous bullet trains Shinkansen, subway trains Chikutetsu, and other regular trains.
Hong Kong has public transit trains, including the Mass Transit Railway MTR, light rail, and high-speed trains.
Hong Kong Tramways is a 3 feet 6 in narrow-gauge tram system and runs on Hong Kong Island. Famous European rail journeys offer breathtaking, diverse scenery, from the Swiss Alps to the Scottish Highlands.
Rail transport has many advantages, including being environmentally friendly and having a high carrying capacity and reliable transport.
However, it also has some disadvantages, such as inflexibility and higher costs, disruption, further transport from a rail depot to final destination. Neither delays, late-minded reach, and small shipment do not yield significant cost savings.
At last, which type of transports do you prefer?